Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing good. I just wanted to show up here and wish you a safe and healthy stay at your place. We all know that the situation is very difficult outside and very different from 2020, and we have to move on with the fact that it's going to be another year where we have to stay indoors, double mask ourselves and take extra caution and care when we are stepping out of home. And so I decided and pushed myself hard to work on today's video, and I'm working on another video which is going to be live I think in a week's time. And please take care of yourself, elders and kids at home. And alright, so with that, let's begin today's video.
So today's video is a weekend vlog and I'm sharing my version of Bangan Wale Sambar with idli. And next in plan is to unbox my nephew's course material, followed by some fun activity and dinner. My version of sambar is my most favorite. I have tried it out at many places, but somehow it doesn't go with my taste, so I always prefer to have idli and sambar at home. It's very easy and simple to make. Try it out and trust me, you'll love it too. Add 1 small bowl of dal, add chopped onions, bangan, tomato, turmeric, salt and keep it to boil like you would normally pressure cook your tuvar dal. So my homemade idli batter is ready. Adding salt and little bit of ENO. Mix it well and just put it to steam. Mix the dal well so that it is very smooth and add the required amount of water to a level it should not be thick but of a flowing liquid consistency. Then add red chili powder, raw mango powder, sambar masala and hing, and for sweetness you can add sugar. I have added jaggery powder and let it boil for some time. Again, tadka is very simple. Heat oil, add mustard seeds, curry leaves, whole red chili and add to the sambar and finally mix it well. And here's my idlis are also ready. I recommend following the exact recipe and method, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. If you try this out, do let me know in the comments. I had my lunch, my kitchen countertop cleaning is done, my dishes are done, and now my kitchen is closed until evening tea time. So my nephew's new session has started and we were so excited and enjoyed unboxing his course material together. We sanitized the carton and kept it in the balcony for 2 days, then further unboxed and sanitized each and every item. The course material also has some stickers, magnets, fun educational games and craft supplies for more than 50 activities, which is pretty cool and so different from my schooling. Then further, Vihan helped me out in organizing his books in the cupboard. We have chosen the lower shelf because then he can himself pick his book and place it back during his classes. So I've segregated notebooks, activity books, craft, drawing, poem books on one side, then educational games in the center, and art and craft box to the right side. There were other accessories too, like the hoodie, cap, school bag, which I have kept on a different shelf. Now at Vihan's demand, it's time for some painting. Every time we sit for a pen session, he will always draw a flower, a boy, or a village scene with huts, mountains, rivers and birds. And I'm trying to explain him we are here for ice painting, but I can't bring the ice right now. It will melt, and let us first draw the shapes and then get the ice. Then we took some time to draw the patterns and shapes. This is our ice made by mixing acrylic color in water. Then with cold hands and hot tea baths, we completed our ice painting in a fun way. So for dinner we have leftover sambar and a failed attempt to make a dosa, which it doesn't look like. Hoping I'll master it soon. So anyway, that's the end of video, and I hope you like the video. If you really do, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Please take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.